Okay. Well, naging effective yung preparation namin, no? Especially, pinukpo ko talaga yung middle dun sa blockings. So, yeah. Work naman.
Thank you,
Thank
Coach.
you.
And for Fifi, you had 13 points tonight, and overall, the team had 12 blocks in total. So, yun nga sabi ni Coach, pinukpok niya talaga yung middles. What can you say about the team's overall performance as well as yours?
Just overall very happy because everybody evidently worked all together and efficiently as well. So this is a big win for us kasi, well, we worked really hard throughout the whole week, the past few weeks, to get a win like this.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, siguro to touch more on yung pagpopokus sa middle. Siguro in the past few games and the losses na rin, ano na lang po siguro nakita niyong kulang sa gitna na kailangan yung pinulido. Tapos ano yung nakita niyo this game na medyo nagkumana naman po for you?
So, ang instruction ko dun sa setter namin kay Mitch is once na good pass is activate niya lagi ang middle. So, yun nga. And blocking naging effective nga, especially kasi yung outside hitter nila, yung go-to guy nila, yun na kailangan namin ma-eliminate. Naging okay naman. Nangyari naman.
Coach, just to like elaborate more, going against a sister team and at the same time, kanina ng game nyo, na contain nyo si Ivy Laxina. Most of her kills were blocked. Ano na lang po yung parang naging fundamentals or instructions niya sa players whenever napupunta sa kanya yung ball?
Yun nga, part of the game plan namin eh. Once kasi na first is yung hard serve, and then after noon, once na na-identify ng blockers yung receive, automatic is go-to guy nga nila is outside hitter. So, yun. So, naging effective talaga yung training namin, especially in blockings.
For Fifi, having 13 points in this game, what can you say about your performance for today, and at the same time, how does this win can help you to your upcoming games?
I feel like this is a good testament for everyone na as long as you prepare for a game, you're gonna get victory talaga. Basta hard work lang and trust the system, which is what we all did today. And yeah, I mean, that's all I can say.
Fifi, ano na lang din masasabi mo dun sa larong fellow middle blocker mo si Celine? I think first start ba today? 12 points, ang ganda talaga nung laro din.
Of course, very happy kasi kampante ako na pag-iikot, lalabas ako. It's the same intensity inside of the court. So, yun nga, as I mentioned before, I admire Ate Celine. And it's good then for the team na we work really well together. So, that's good.
For Coach and Fifi, your next game is up against Chocomucho. Like 1 week pa from today. So how will this one help you guys prepare coming into that match?
Well, yun nga, Chocomucho kasi is wala pang talo. So, every game nila, talagang this incoming training namin, talagang from the start, yung sa amin muna, training muna namin, and then that's the time nire-review namin yung mga, especially mga play ng Chocomucho.
How about you, Fifi?
I think we'll prepare as intense and as mindful as we did the past few games. Syempre, double effort kasi Chocomucho is one of the stronger teams that we're gonna go up against. So, ayun, I mean, anything can happen. Charity Go defeated Dreamline earlier today, so who knows, 1 week from now.
Coach, how big of an advantage lang na, ayun nga, sabi ni Fifi kanina, kapag lalabas siya, papasok si Seth, same intensity and vice versa.
Yeah. Sorry.
Gaano kalaking advantage lang for the team na, ayun, yung palitan, halos same lang ang intensity lagi.
Oh yes. Yun nga, ang sabi ko naman kasi sa kanila, magpo-focus muna kami ngayon sa middle. So, nangyari nga is medyo maganda, most of the time naman maganda yung receive. So, yun naman yung pinaka-instruction ko, activate the middle blocker.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Fifi. Congrats on the win.
Thank you.